Class, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a back door with an arc, and I'm going to show you how to put lines in the window with different colors. So let me orbit around. Let's work on the window first. So I want you just to add a few different lines here. There's one, there's two, there's three, and here's four. Alright, they're not, you can just add random lines. Don't worry about the dimensions at this point. We'll worry about that another lesson. Go up to your paint bucket. You're going to come over to, actually let's go to glass and mirrors and just choose different colors. There's one right there. You can see how the lines, when we divide it up, you can put different types of colors. We'll put this one in here as well. Perfect, and that's all I wanted. We can orbit around to the back. And what we want to do here is we want to create a door. So we'll start at here, this edge. And again, it's not straight on right here, but I'm not as worried about it in this video. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take an arc. Let me see, maybe put it back over here. Actually, we're going to come over here to, let's go to the 2-point arc here. Make sure I clicked on that. Perfect. You're going to go click on this side, click on this endpoint, and then move it up. Perfect, just like that. Okay, so you click once, you click a second time, you move it up, and then you click a third time. And then you take this eraser, and we're going to erase this line right here. And I'm going to use this orbit tool real quick. Alright. And then I just took out everything. Let me see if I can put this back. Come over here. Perfect. Let me see if I can erase this. Let me put the pencil back over here. Trying to open that up a little bit. Let me go back to the brick. Actually, let's put some wood down. Right here. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and put a circle for kind of a door. We'll put it right about there. And then we're going to color this back door. We'll just give it a random color. Let's see here. And that's all you got to do. You've got a door with an arc. It's not perfect. We've colored it. We changed up the back decking there a little bit. And there you go. That's the second part of the basic house project. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.